ሰላም ዩቲዩብ ተከታታዮች እንደምን አላችሁ? እንግዲህ ዛሬ ግራፊንግ በደንብ እናያለን። እስከ ቪዲዮ መጨረሻ እንድትከታተሉት በአክብሮት ጋብዛችኋለሁ። ቪዲዮ ቶሎ እንዲደርሳችሁ ደግሞ ላይክ እና ሳብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። እንግዲህ ዛሬ ሶስት ኢኩዌሽኖችን በአንድ ግራፍ እንዴት አድርገን ሶልቭ አድርገን ለሁለቱም እኩል የሆነ ቦታ ወይም ሶስቱንም ኢኩዌሽኖች እውነት ሊያመጣ የሚችል ቦታ ላይ እንዴት ማግኘት እንችላለን የሚለውን ማየት አሳያችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። እናየዋለን። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ y greater than or equals to -2/3x + 4 የሚል ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄንን ስኬች ለማድረግ መጀመሪያ x ኢንተርሴፕት እና y ኢንተርሴፕት እንፈልጋለን ማለት ነው። y ኢንተርሴፕት ለማግኘት x ን 0 እናደርጋለን። ስለዚህ x ን 0 ስናደርግ y 4 ይሆናል። እዚች ጋር ምልክት እናደርጋለን። and x ን ለማግኘት ደግሞ y ን 0 እናደርጋለን። ይሄን ስንለው 6 ይመጣል ሶልቭ ስናደርገው። ከዛ ይሄንን በሶሊድ ላይን ማገናኘት ነው because it is greater than or equals to ስለሚል ማለት ነው። and the second one y less than 2x minus 1/4 ይላል። ስለዚህ አሁንም x ለማግኘት ይችን 0 ስናደርጋት 1/4 ይመጣል። 0.2 አካባቢ ነው ኔጌቲቭ እዚህ አካባቢ ምልክት እናደርጋለን። and next y 0 ስናደርግ ደግሞ y 0 ስናደርግ 1/2 around 1/2 ይመጣል። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ምልክት እናደርግና በብሮክን ላይን እንደዚህ ኮኔክት ወይም በዳሽ ብለን በመንጠራው ኮኔክት እናደርጋለን ግራፉን። ከዛ x less than 4 ነው የሚል ይሄም በብሮክን ላይን እንደዚህ ወይም በዳሽ ኮኔክት ካደረግነው በኋላ ሼድድ ፓርቱን መለየት መቻል ነው። የመጀመሪያው y greater than ስለሆነ ወደ ላይ እንደዚህ above the graphs ሼድ እናደርጋለን። and the second one y less than ስለሚል ወደ ታች below the graph ሼድ ማድረግ አለብን ማለት ነው። and the third one x less than 4 ነው ስለሚለን ከ4 ያነሱ ቁጥሮች የሚገኙት ወደ ግራ ስለሆነ at the left side of the graph we have to shade it, and the middle part this one is the solution set of all these three graphs. በሶስቱም ግራፎች ትክክለኛዋ ወይም የጋራ ቦታዋ ይቺ ባውንደሪዋ ምን ትባላለች? solution set of the given equation ብለን እንጠራለን ማለት ነው። ሶ በዚህ መንገድ መስራት እንችላለን። ለዚህ ስናሰፋው በዚህ መንገድ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ እቺ ግሪን ፓርቷን ሶሉሽን ሴት ምንላት አሁን ከዚህ ጋር የፈለግነውን ቁጥር ብንወስድ ሶስቱንም ሶሉሽኖች እውነት ያመጣልናል ማለት ነው። the other key point exercise 4.5 solve the following system of linear inequality by using graphical method ነው የሚለን። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው the first one y greater than 3x minus 4 ነው የሚል and y less than or equals to minus 2x ነው የሚለን። ይሄንን ፕራክቲካሊ ስኬች እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ናይስ። እንግዲህ ኤክስ ዋይ ኮኦርዲኔት ፕሌኑን በዚህ መንገድ ስኬች እናደርጋለን። የዋይ ኮኦርዲኔት ይባላል፣ የኛው ደግሞ ኤክስ ኮኦርዲኔት እንለዋለን። ስለዚህ ቁጥሮቹን በስኩዌንስ መጻፍ እንችላለን። 1 2 3 4 5 6 እያል እስከምንፈልገው ቁጥር and this one 1 2 3 4 5 and -1 -2 -3 -4 and -1 -2 -3 እስከምንፈልገው መጻፍ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። then we have to sketch the graphs. The first one y greater than 3x minus 4 ነው የሚለን። so to sketch this one or to draw this graph we have to put 0 for x to find y intercept, then the result is -4. then we have to do it like this, and we have to put y 0, then the result is 4/3. 4/3 is located around this point. It's located between 1 and 2. then we have to sketch the graph using broken line ነው የምናደርገው። greater than ብቻ ስለሆነ በብሮክን ላይን እንደዚህ አድርገን ማገናኘት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። broken line like this. ከዛ ሼድድ የሚሆነው ፓርት መለየት መቻል ነው። ሼድድ ግሬተር ዛን ስለሆነ it should be above the graph ከግራፉ ወደ ላይ ነው። ግሬተር ዛን ከሆነ above the graph እንደዚህ አድርገን ሼድ ማድረግ ይጠበቅብናል ማለት ነው። this is and the next one y less than or equals to ኔጌቲቭ ቱ ኤክስ ነው የሚለን። ስለዚህ ኔጌቲቭ ቱ ኤክስ ስለሚለን ምን እናደርጋለን? ይሄን ቢ ምናምን ነገር ልክ እንደዚህ እንደ ኔጌቲቭ 4 ቀጥታ በኦሪጂኑ ላይ ነው የሚያልፈው። ትንሽ ወደ ዋይ አክሲስ ጠጋ አድርገን እንደዚህ አድርገን በሶሊድ ላይን ነው የምናደርገው። እንደዚህ አይነት ግራፍ ስኬች እናደርጋለን። በማስመሪያ ቀጥ አድርጋችሁ እናንተ ስኬች ማድረግ ይቻላል። ከዛ ወደ ታች ነው የሚቀበው ወደ ላይ ነው የሚለውን ይሄ ለዛ ነው ኢኳልስ ስለሆነ ቀጥታ ዳውን ቱ ዘ ግራፍ በዚህ መንገድ ስኬች እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው። The question is which one is the common place of these two functions? That means y greater than 3x minus 4 and y less than or equals to minus 2x የሚለውን ስናይ ይሄንኛው ባውንደሪ ለሁለቱም ምንድነው ማለት ነው እኩል ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄንን በሌላ ከረል ደመቅ አድርገን መጻፍ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። መቀባት we have to shade this portion like this. This is the solution and we have to going to the next one. Okay, b ጋር ስንሄድ b y greater than or equals to minus 3x minus 6 ነው የሚለን። ስለዚህ if we put x is equals to 0 then the result is negative 6. Then we have to put like this the point, and if we put y to find x intercept the result is negative 2. Then we have to put like this. You can write negative 1 negative 2 negative 3 negative 4 negative 1 negative 2 negative 3 negative 4 negative 5 negative 6. Then we have to connect two lines. We have to connect these two lines like this. Look, this is the graph. It's like look like this. Then is it above or below? We have to shade above the graphs because it is greater than ስለሆነ above the graph ነው shade የምናደርገው ማለት ነው like this. And the next graph is y greater than 4x minus 4. Then when we want to find y intercept we have to put x is equals to 0. When put this here 0 y is equals to negative 4. Then we have to mark over here, and when we want to find x intercept we have to put y is equals to 0. The result is positive 1. We have to mark this. After that we have to connect by using broken line because this one is only greater than, so that we have to connect by using this broken line like this. Then we have to shaded we have to find the shaded part of this graph. The inequality says that y greater than, so if it is y greater than we have to shade above the graph like this. After we shade this we have to find the common place of this shaded parts. So the common place of this shaded part is this boundary, so we have to shade like this. Over here also we have to shade. This is the result. Okay, C ጋር ስንሄድ ልክ በዚህ አይነት መንገድ xy ኮኦርዲኔትን ካስቀመጥን በኋላ y less than or equals to 1 over 2x plus 2 ነው የሚለን። ስለዚህ x ን 0 ስናደርገው to find y intercept we have the result is 2. have to dot over here, and when we put y is equals to 0 the result is negative 4. So that we have to connect these two lines by using solid line because this is less than or equals to like this. We have to connect the line to end negative 4. This is the answer. So we have to shade below the origin, below the graph like this. because this is less than, so we have to shade the graph like this. And the next one y less than or equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 1. When you put x is equals to 0, the answer is 1. We have to put over here. And when we want to put y is equals to 0, the result is 1.5. So we have sketch solid line like the previous one, like this. Then we have to shade below the origin, also below this graph, like this. Then which one is the common place of these two graphs? common placeaቸው አሁን እዚህ ጋር እንደምናየው ይሄ ፓርት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን እናደርጋለን? ይሄንን በደንብ ድምቅ አድርገን መቀባት እንችላለን ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ አድርገን እንቀባለን ማለት ነው። ኢን ፖርሽን እንደዚህ አድርገን ሼዲንግ ፓርቱን በዚህ መንገድ መስራት ይቻላል ማለት ነው። ሁሉንም ግራፎች እንግዲህ በተመሳሳይ እንደዚህ ያያደርግን ነው የምንሰራቸው። እናንተም በተለያየ ከለር እንዲያምርላችሁ በደንብ መቀባት ይቻላል። እንግዲህ ዲን ጋር ስንሰራ ደግሞ y less than -3 over 5x plus 4 ነው የሚለን። ስለዚህ when you want to find y intercept you have to put x is equals to 0. when you put x is equals to 0 y is equals to 4 ይመጣልና እዚህ ጋር ምልክት እናደርጋለን። and when you want to find y x intercept you have to put y is equals to 0. then the result is -6.3. that means -4 times 5 -20 divided by -3, it gives 6.3. then we have to connect these two lines by using broken line like this. and connect እናደርጋለን. then we have to shade below the graph because it is less than, like this. and the next one y less than or equals to 1 over 3x plus 3. then when you put x is equal to 0, it gives 3 here. and when you put y is equal to 0, the result is -9. then we have to put around this. then the graph is solid line ነው የሚሆነው like this. በዚህ መንገድ ካስቀመጥን በኋላ we have to shade below the given graphs. let's shade እናደርጋለን. then the boundary line is, or the solution part of the shaded part is this portion. this part is the solution set. we have to shade like this. like this. can shade. this is the result. ጋር ስንሄድ ኤክስ ዋይ ኮኦርዲኔቱን በዚህ መንገድ ከሰራን በኋላ y less than or equals to -3 over 7x minus 1. then when you find y intercept we have to put x is equals to 0. the result is -1. we have to mark over here. and when you put y is equals to 0, the result is 7 divided by 3. -7 divided by 3 is the result is 2.3 around here, 2.3. then we have to connect this line by solid lines because this is greater than, less than or greater than, less than or equals to. then we have to put like this. you can sketch like this. Then we have to shade below the origin, below this graph, because it is less than or equals to this. Look like this. And the second one, when you put x is equal to 0, there is 1, and when you put y is equal to 0, the result is 1.2. so that we have to sketch by using broken line, and we have to connect this graph like this. And we have to shade above the graph, because this is greater than. Then the shaded part, or the common place of these two graphs, is this one. Like this, we have to shade in different color. We have to shade this portion is common place for two graphs. This is the answer. So we have to going to the last question. ኦኬ የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ እንግዲህ ይሄን ይመስላል። ኤክስ ዋይ ኮኦርዲኔት ከጻፍን በኋላ መጀመሪያ ሪአሬንጅ አድርገን መጻፍ አለብን። 2x + y > 4 is equals to y less than negative 2x + 4 and x minus y less than or equals to 4 የሚለውን ደግሞ y greater than or equals to x minus 4 and x greater than 2 as it is እንጽፋለን። So after we write this, we have to find x intercept and y intercept. When we want to y intercept, we have to put x is equals to 0, then the point is this 4, and when we find x intercept, we have to put y is equals to 0. Negative 4 divided by 2 is positive 2, so the answer is over here. So we have to connect by broken line this blue line, and we have to shade below the given graphs like this. And the second one, y greater than or equals to x minus 4, so we have to put x is equals to 0. The result is negative 4, the pink one, the pink part, and y0 x is equals to 4. Then we have to connect by using solid line like this, and we have to shade above the given graph like this above. And the last one, x is greater than to the green one, and we have to shade the right side of the given graph, the right side. Then the portion which is located this portion is common point for all this graph. Look at this shaded part. We can shade like this. Okay, the red one is common place for these three equations, so that this is the graph of the function. This is all about today's class. If you have any question, any comment, you can write at a comment section. Thank you for listening.